Hey there, did you know you can watch live matches directly on 1xBet? Here's how to do it. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Open the live section of the app. And here, look for events with the TV icon, or if you have the updated version, you will have this play icon. So tap to start, and streaming will be downloaded immediately. So here is how you can watch directly the match during your betting. It works for football, basketball, tennis, esport, and more. Live streaming helps you play smarter bets while watching the game in real time. And if you enjoyed this video, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.